Welcome back to our channel. Buying an electric truck has always felt like a compromise. Tech or toughness, design or utility, getting it all seemed impossible, but GAC says that the compromise is over. This is the new GAC Pickup 1, a sci-fi-inspired truck aimed at global markets. In this video, we're taking an in-depth first look at its wild design and groundbreaking tech to see if this is the future of pickups. The first word that comes to mind with this truck is presence. It's a bold mix of sharp angles and flat surfaces with hints of the Cybertruck and Hummer EV, but a visual language all its own. The front is aggressive, with a full-width LED light bar and stacked headlights. Super short overhangs and integrated tow hooks are designed for a best-in-class approach angle for serious off-roading. Along the side, the muscular stance is defined by massive flared wheel arches and huge all-terrain wheels. Digital mirrors help maintain a clean, high-tech profile. Around back, thin rectangular taillights mirror the front. GAC clearly prioritized off-road performance with a shorter bed, which dramatically improves the departure angle. This truck is built to be more than just a showpiece. Inside, it feels less like a pickup and more like a spaceship's command bridge. The design is minimalist but packed with forward-thinking tech. The most radical feature is the octagonal steering wheel. It's mounted on a rail that lets it slide across the entire dashboard, a wild solution for both left and right-hand drive markets. Stretching across the dash is a nearly full-width screen which replaces almost all physical buttons for a clean, driver-focused layout. A massive center console offers tons of storage. GAC also says the cabin can be reconfigured into a sleeping space, blending luxury comfort with truck utility. GAC is being quiet about the powertrain, but here's what we know. It's built on GAC's new GAIA platform, a flexible foundation designed for gas, hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and all-electric powertrains. This platform also features an adaptive suspension system that can dynamically adjust for city driving, towing, or rough off-road trails. The truck is also set to feature GAC's next-gen driver assist system, which could bring level 3 hands-off autonomous driving to the highway, a major leap forward for a pickup. The GAC Pickup 1 isn't just another electric truck, it's a bold statement. The pros are clear: a stunning futuristic design, an innovative interior, and a versatile platform. The cons are the unknowns. We're still waiting on final powertrain specs, and we have to see how much of this radical concept makes it to the production model scheduled for 2027. This truck is aimed at the tech lover who needs real utility, or the luxury EV buyer wanting something that stands out more than a Rivian or Cybertruck. GAC is positioning this as a premium, do-it-all vehicle. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is this a real contender? And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our full driving test when it's out.